Yo, what's up, guys? So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create a maze puzzle book. Really easy. You can do it. Big, you can do it. All right, so welcome back to my channel. My name is RJ Martinez, and like I said in this video, we're going to teach you guys how to make a maze puzzle book. And one of the most important things when you're going into a niche like the maze puzzle book, you want to get an understanding. So first and foremost, research, right? How many pages are these bestsellers have in this niche, right? Do they have 100 pages? Do they have 200 pages? Do they have 300 pages, right? And what is the size? What are the dimensions, right? How big are these books? Are they 8.5 by 11 inches? What are the size? 8 inches by 10 inches? So that's something that you guys want to research. Very important. I would pick the top 5 books and look at the dimensions, look at how many pages, and diving in deep into that is going to make it so much easier for you to make your first sale, okay? And it's important that you guys are unique and different from everyone else, okay? If you do that, you're going to create less competition for yourself. So think about it this way. If there's a way that you can customize these mazes that I'm going to show you, there's a lot that you can do here, okay? If you can get someone that knows how to draw and knows how to make mazes, they can do a lot for you, okay? You can make some unique mazes, theme mazes, evergreen mazes, which would be like fishing and stuff like that. It's an evergreen niche, right? A niche that sells all year round. And then you have like trending mazes, for example, like Easter, Christmas, Thanksgiving, all those, right? That's more of like trending like theme mazes. So, yeah, so let's get straight into the content. Let's break this down and let me show you guys, give you guys a better idea of what I'm talking about. All right, guys, yo, what's going on? What's up? Hello, how's it going? So yeah, like I said, first and foremost, if you want to come over here to Amazon, you want to do research when it comes to going into any new niche, basically. So if you're going to come in here, we're doing the maze niche, right? So maze, you can see right here. So this Tell Me a Story. If you guys have first time here, welcome. It's very important that you understand, like the search bar is telling us a lot of good information right here. So for example, we'll do a quick one. So maze books for kids 4 to 6, right? We're gonna click on that, and you can see like we're looking at the bestseller right now, and it looks like a fairly simple book. Okay, let's click on this bad boy. December 8th, 2019. Look, it's crushing it, right? It's doing really well. And you can see, look at the sales. That thing's crushing it. It's like when it first started, right? It seems like it was already set up for success. See, okay, unique. This is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. Unique and different, right? If you guys hear what I was saying at the very beginning of this video, see, it's very important. If you create something unique and different from everyone else, you're going to create less competition for yourself, right? Now, for the most part, when you go into a new niche, you want to see if there is, if there's a demand. Obviously, there's a demand. This one's crushing it, ranking 1,500 in books, right? And remember, Amazon was built off of books, right? So let's come down here. You can see 83 pages. Okay, not that many pages. Okay, very simple. 8.5 by 11 inches. Okay, that's okay. So now we know that it's a decent size. It's a decent size dimension. It's like the normal size for like coloring books and stuff like that. Okay, 83 pages. I'm not sure if that's front and back. So most likely, yeah, I'm not sure if that's front and back, but if you're doing just front page, back page blank, you can do that usually, because sometimes when I do my coloring books and I have stuff like that, but of course it's not a coloring book, it's a maze, so you want to do a little bit more research on that. So if you're doing front and back, it's exactly 83 pages. Now, if you're not doing front and back, right, it's going to be like 40 pages or something like that, and then maybe like 3 of like the introduction page and so on and so forth. Kind of get the idea. You get the idea behind that. So yeah, it's very easy. You see how I did that, and you can see obviously when you're going in here, you can see all kinds of different niches that you guys can dive into, right? This is huge. Okay, customers who viewed this item also viewed this, so you can see these ones, right? Look at these. Okay, and you get the idea behind this. It's crazy. So, all right, first one I'm going to show you guys is mazegenerator.net. Okay, first and foremost, before you start doing any of this stuff and you start making sales online, you have to make sure it's okay for commercial use. One of the most important things, okay? I can't stress this enough. When you go to any new platform, you want to learn the policy and stuff like that, and you want to make sure first, if you're getting from someone else, you want to make sure it's okay for commercial use. Sometimes they charge. Sometimes they charge you like a monthly fee. Sometimes they charge you a one-time fee. Sometimes they charge you a per year fee or per maze, whatever it is. Okay, so you want to learn that part first, and that's very important because at scale, when you're growing and stuff like that, and you're crushing it, you just like reaching out to the servers. You want to make sure that you're okay to sell their maze in a book that you're going to be selling over 100, 200, 300, 400 times, right? So that's very important that you guys understand that. They have the regulations right here. So license, okay, the pricing, okay, license type, and it shows you how to pay. You just send over an email, how to order stuff. You send it over an email to this one right here down below, but you can see the breakdown right here, okay, with attribution requirements, individual mazes with attributional requirements per maze, okay, USD is $4.99. Individual mazes without attribution requirements per maze, $9.97. Unlimited mazes, okay, with attribution, $105. And then unlimited mazes without, $210. Okay, you guys can see that right there. Okay, just what I did was come over here, right click, it says commercial use, boom, and pops up. Now you can see I'm gonna just do this example real quick. It's already all set up nice and clean. Generate, and boom, it sets up a simple maze for you, right? And it can give you the solution. You can click the solution, download that. You can see PNG, SVG, PNG. That way, like say if you're using, I know a lot of people use PowerPoint, right? You can download the PNG, upload it to PowerPoint, and then you can start creating the interiors, okay? I'm not sure, like say if you're gonna make an activity book, that's as you can see, as you're doing an activity book, there's lots you can put inside of an activity book, and mazes is one of them. So something to keep in mind too as well right there. But you can see, I just want to bring this to you guys' attention, see how simple and easy this is, right? You can do this. You can do it. So you just got to just understand the process and how you're going to do all this stuff. So here's one way you guys can make a maze, right? And you can add like different, if you want to add 30, 40, okay, the height and the width. Okay, and then you can mess with a lot more stuff in here for this example. Just want to show you guys how easy this is, and you just download, right? PNG, download. It's really that simple, okay? But of course, like I said, the commercial use, you want to follow these rules because you don't want to get your account banned or any of that stuff, okay? So next one is going to be Puzzle Whiz, right? They have this right here in beta right now, but this Puzzle Whiz is so cool because you can see there's a lot more, and I'll go into more detail about all these other interiors over here, but this Puzzle Whiz makes it so simple for you, okay? Let's say, so we're going to do bleed. We're going to do 8.5 by 11, and let's say we'll do double-sided. We'll do 83 pages. Let's see if that works. Boom, boom. We'll leave all that. Include solutions. No. We'll just, for this example, we'll just submit. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Let's do 75. God, don't yell at me. Okay, your document is being processed. Please wait. We'll refresh the page for you once it's ready. So, Puzzle Whiz is not free. Okay. I've been trying to find some the maze generators that are kind of free for you guys for this video because I want to show you guys how easy it is. But I haven't found, and well, Puzzle Whiz also too is free for commercial use. But I haven't found any free websites. So if you guys have any, drop those down below in the comments. Sharing is caring, right? So you can see how long that took right there. Boom. Download your document. Boom. See how I brought it all together? See how I did the maze? Pretty cool, right? Pretty sure these look like are they all the same? No, they're different. They're all different. Interesting. Okay. So yeah, but you get the idea too as well. Then also too, if you want to There's a few things that you can mess with right here too as well. If you want to include the solutions, you can do that too as well. And as submit, it'll show you the answers, right? And how to solve the maze, right? How to get through the maze, whatever you want to call it. Okay. And then last but not least, this one here, this maze generator. I found this one. I was trying to look and find to see if I can find it, see if it's good for commercial use, but I couldn't find it anywhere. Wall thickness. You can see you guys can, there's a little, you can mess with this right here. Let's put it 520, roll column, boom, 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 boom. Let's generate a maze. You see it made it a little smaller. Let's bring it up a little bit. Let's do 10. Boom, made it bigger. Let's do 30. All right. Boom, making it bigger. Okay, and you guys can see too. You can solve the maze. It'll give you the solution thing. Okay, so I'll solve the maze for you, show you how to get through there and stuff like that. Because you can add that into your book, like at the back or whatever it is. But yeah, you can see. Okay, download the maze. Boom, simple, right? Easy. You guys can do this. I showed you guys a few resources right here. If I find any free resources, I will definitely share those with you guys. So you guys, I just want to give you guys a better idea, and I want you guys to win and show you guys how to make money with mazes, right? And it seems like a very cool niche to dive into, right? Very fun, cool, So just want to give you guys a little bit of insight, show you guys what I'm talking about, and of course, like I said, you guys would basically use these right here. So you would download, see how we downloaded like this maze right here, you would use your favorite design software. Okay, I don't want to skip this part. And like PowerPoint, you would add it in there, right? Let's say you're making an 80-page maze book, right? You would basically take this file, add it in there, make 80 pages in PowerPoint. Same thing with Adobe Photoshop, same exact thing. Okay, you would be adding 80 pages in there and creating the template. So it's in, of course, it has to be in PDF format so you can upload it. The cool thing about Puzzlewiz is the format's already done for you here. But of course, you would want to kind of, I would recommend editing this to kind of make it stand out, be different. And you can see as in the example that I showed you guys, it's very important that you're different from everyone else. Very, very, very important. Okay, as you can see right here. That's going to help. It's going to make you stand out. It's going to give you less competition, all that stuff.